Okay, in this video I will share to you about how to make the face frame base cabinet in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the rectangle with rotate rectangle in here. We can click from this origin, and now we can type around 600 millimeter in here, and drag to the another side. It's around 600 millimeter also in here. Okay, then we can click and just push it up in here. We can type 800 millimeter in here. Okay, this is 800 millimeter. Okay, and then now we can click this line and select move, type control. Okay, we can move, type 100 millimeter and click this surface and select push pull. We can push it to the behind around 30 millimeter in here. Okay, just like this. Then now we can click these surfaces in here, and now we can just offset it inside around 30 millimeter in here, or maybe just offset it inside around 20 millimeter in here. Then we can click and push it to the behind. Okay, we can push it to the behind, type 580 millimeter in here. Okay, then now we can triple click, or maybe we can just click this one and select move, type control. Can type around 180 millimeter and move again, type 20 millimeter and just click the surface and select push pull and push until to the position in here and erase some unnecessary line over there in here. Okay, then now we can triple click, right click and also make group. Now we can make the rectangle and click from the corner to the corner in here and just click and push it to the behind, type around 20 millimeter in here. Okay, and then now we can triple click and make component and then just create. Okay, then now we can triple click and offset it inside in here around 40. Okay, then we can click and push it to the behind a little bit around 5 millimeters in here. Okay, and then we can click and select move, type control and just place, type right click and flip along with the red axis in here and select move, place to the position in here. Okay, then we can make the rectangle and click from this corner to corner and click and push it up. Okay, until to the position and triple click, right click and make group. Okay, then we can triple click. Okay, and deactivate about the headrest of model. Then now we can click and offset it inside, type 20 millimeter and just click and push it down and type 160 millimeter in here. So there is a drawer on this position and we can triple click, offset it inside, type 30 and click and push it to the behind, type 5 millimeters in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the door handle. You can make the simple door handle in here and push it to the another side in here. Okay, maybe we can make the curve. Okay, make the curve in here and push it to the behind, and okay, we can click this line and offset it inside it in here a little bit and triple click, right click and make component and then just create. Okay, and then we can select move, type control and just place to the position in here. Okay, and then now we can select move, type control and just place. Now we can just rotate 90 degree in here and just place to the position in here, so it has a simple drawer in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the materials in here. Okay, we can make the materials. Okay, we can assign with another unique color. Anyway, we can assign with another unique color. Okay, but we have to set up about the unique color. Maybe we can just choose this color in here to make the semi-classic color in here. Okay, I think that's one. And now we can make the top table in here and push it up, type 20 millimeter and just click and push it to the front, type 20 millimeter in here and triple click and also make group. So this is about the top table, and we can click and select move, type control, type 20 and then can click and push it up, type around 200 millimeter in here. Okay, and make the little curve. Okay, and push it to the behind in here just like this. So this is about the top table in here. Okay, so this is the close preview in here, and I will duplicate it to make the another preview. Okay, we can click and make group in here and move it to the another side in here. Okay, just like this and just click. Okay, and make group. Okay, now we can select the rotate and rotate. We can make the blue axis in here and just rotate this one in here, or maybe we can just rotate a little bit in here. Okay, to make sure that to show that it could be closed and open in here. Okay, and then now we can activate about the shadow over there. Okay, we can activate about the shadow in here, and okay, so this is about the shadow preview, or maybe we can just set up about the shadow preview. Okay, just like this. Okay, we can set up about the shadow preview, and this is about the profile in here, or maybe we can assign about the color to make it more dark than before in here. Okay, just like this. And okay, maybe we can change the style to make it more representative in here, just like this, or this one, or this one, or this one. Okay, I think it looks like more representative than before in here. Or okay, maybe we can assign the materials with using the stone, and we can assign this one. Okay, just like this. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and you can also explore more about the another cabinets with this woodworking tutorial in SketchUp. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to comment and share and save this video, and have a good day.